Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology tips, tricks and tutorials. If you've ever been frustrated by trying to download an app only to find out it's not available in your country, you're not alone. But don't worry because today I'm going to show you how to bypass this hurdle and get any Android app regardless of your geographical restrictions. First things first, it's important to note that while these methods can help you download apps not available in your region, you should always respect the terms of service of the app and the Google Play Store. Also, be mindful of your security and privacy when downloading apps from third party sources. Method 1 is using a VPN. A virtual private network or VPN can change your IP address to make it appear as though you're accessing the internet from a different location. Here's how you can use a VPN to download apps not available in your country. Download and install a VPN app. First, you need to download a VPN app from the Google Play Store. There are many options available, both free and paid. Once you've installed your chosen VPN app, open it and connect to a server in the country where the app you want to download is available. Next, you need to clear your Google Play Store data to remove any location history. Go to your phone settings, then apps and notifications. Then click on apps. Here you'll need to find Google Play Store. Tap on it, then tap on Stories and clear cache. Now open the Google Play Store. It should detect you as being in the country you selected in your VPN app. Search for the app you want to download and you should now be able to install it. And there you have it. One method to download Android apps are not available in your country. Remember, while these methods can be incredibly useful, always prioritize your online safety and respect digital content regulations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.